Alright guys, so to everyone watching this right now, you would be securing yourself a free 10k funded account. It's a two-step account, and also you'll be getting some cash at the end as reward. Now to everyone watching this right now, I want you to pay attention, close attention, and follow every single steps I'll be showing in this video, because by the end you'll be getting a free funded account. So without wasting time, just first of all, give this video a like, which is very important. I noticed of recent a lot of videos go straight to the video without giving the video a like. It costs you nothing to just click on the like button and then proceed to watching your video. Now, after that, make sure you subscribe to this channel, and in case you have any issues, just leave a comment in the comment section, and you get to see where you're watching from, and you get to meet with other traders just like you. Now in today's video, just click on the link in the comment section, which takes you to the Telegram channel, and in the Telegram channel you see the link that will take you to the site. And I'm sure everyone knows why we're actually doing this. It's just to avoid any unregistered link being taken down by YouTube, because they are very strict. Now, so once you click on the link, you find the Telegram channel, and don't forget to join the Telegram channel, because it helps you not to miss out on any update I share on a daily. And also, you can check our previous videos. They are still available. You can go and claim the free platform also. So once you click on the link, you find the Telegram channel. It brings you to this platform right here, showing you details about this platform. Now, I actually saw their post on their official Twitter account, showing right here that says we'll be giving out a free 10k account to 100k people. And there's a simple step you actually need to follow to be among the 100k people who will be getting this funded account. Now, actually, I think I did. The time I tried making this video, I still had 21. The time I registered, I had 21 hours left. But by the time I'm making this video, it already remaining 8 hours. So I'm really sorry for not making the video really quick. Now within that 8 hours, there are things you actually need to do to be able to get qualified for the free funded account. Now once you click on the link I add to the Telegram channel, it will bring you right here. And the first thing you need to do is to fill in your details in these boxes right here by adding your full name in this first box, and the second box is where you add your email address. Now the third one is where you add your date of birth, fill in the month, day and the year. And if you scroll up a little bit, where you click on enter giveaway, you see it right here, enter giveaway, and immediately you click on it, they would unlock all these tags right here. Every single one of these tags would be unlocked. This right here that is showing padlock. Now to show you the steps, let me quickly fill in my details for registration to be able to enter the giveaway. Alright, now you can see it right here. See what it looks like. You see +1 in front of everything. Now you need to complete these taxes right here. Follow their Telegram channel, join their Discord server. Once you click on it, it will show you a link you can just click on straight. That will take you to their Telegram channel, which is what I actually did right here. You can see I clicked on it, and this right here will take you to the Telegram channel. You just need to click on view in Telegram, and you join the Telegram channel. And on getting back to the site, you can see right here, you see it says join our Discord server. Now once you click on that, also it shows you the link, and you click on it, and then it takes you to their Discord, where you actually accept their invite. You can see it right here, accept the invite, and then you go back to the site right there, where you actually complete the rest of the tags. Now going back to the site, you can see it right here. The next one is to follow their Facebook page, which is what you just click on right here. Click like the page, and just go to their page, follow their page, and like the post, any post you actually see right there. See, follow their Facebook account, and also go back to the site. And that same way was how I actually completed every single task right here. And after completing the tags, then you would also have this aspect that talks about, that actually requires you to invite a friend. Now you can see it among the options. Now also complete all these taxes, and there's this aspect which is very important that says you need to create a Nostro account. You need to sign up with them. Now if you go back, leave this place and go back to the tax which you are asked to complete, you can see right here that says make your Nostro account. Now if you actually click on this, it will bring you to where you actually need to sign up. You actually need to fill in your details, your necessary details right here like this. Now you actually need to fill in your first name, your last name, and your email address. The same thing we should use in registering for for the free funded account. You fill in your details right there, and also put in your country, create a password, and in case you're actually using my link, the referral code will be filled automatically. So just click on sign up after filling every necessary details, and right here the next step is for you to verify your email address. Now going back to your email, just click on go to your email, and in the email you would have something like just like this. You should receive a message in your email, and click on this box right here in the message to verify your account. Now after clicking on the box, then your account will be verified, which means you have actually completed that task. Now make sure every single task are being completed. So anytime you want to log into the account, you can see right there, you can just fill in your email address and the password which you used in registering, and you get to log in. So fill in your details and log in into the site. Let's actually take a quick review about how the site looks like. Now you can see right here, I haven't verified my account yet, so you can just click on the three lines at the top to actually get more details about the available options, their available account, in case you want to get a challenge with them. And also they actually run a competition, so you can actually join their weekly competition and their monthly competition in case they have any which is actually running. Now going back to the site where you actually need to get the free funded account. So I've been able to complete every single task, I think, apart from referring a friend, which is the only one remaining. Now actually, if you want to refer a friend, you can just click on the copy the link and then share it with a friend, and also telling them to sign up and completing those tasks. Now if you scroll up to this place that says entry, this is where you see that you've completed every single necessary task, which is actually going to make you eligible for this account. And if you click on leaders right here, you get to see other people and their points which they've gotten. I think the more tasks you actually complete, the more points you get to earn, and you get to be among the top list of people who will be getting this free account. Now it says the more points you're able to accumulate, the more closer you get to being part of those who will be getting the free account. Now you can see right here that says leaders. Now you can see it right here. Just need to scroll up, and also beneath right here you see this place that says price right here. Once you click on it, then you see it says free 10,000 3-step challenge will be given to 2,500 people, 2,500 winners, with also I think a reward of 48 USD. And also you 2,500 3-step account, I think 25,000 3-step accounts will be given to 5 winners with a price of $250. I think is that $260. And also one winner will be getting $500 in their wallet for being the first. And also, in case I actually missed out on any information which I'm supposed to explain, please kindly make sure you go to the site and review details about how they share this reward. I think I'm actually missing out on some points. Now, for every single person who understands every single process I explained, kindly take your time, and as a means of saying thank you to this effort I'm putting to making sure everyone gets a free funded account, just subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to give this video a like. Please kindly give the video a like, and join the Telegram channel so you get updated. Have a nice day, guys.